Before we begin today, just a quick reminder that I am now offering a free online class every Tuesday where you can join me to meditate together. You can find more details about it in the description. And now, let's start today's practice. In today's meditation, I am inviting you to fully relax while imagining lying down under a blooming cherry tree. If possible, practicing outside in nature may be especially pleasant and calming. But wherever you are, simply start by finding a comfortable position. Perhaps sitting or lying down would be best for allowing the body to fully relax today. Make sure you are warm and cozy and your back is straight and head well supported. Before closing your eyes, look around and notice anything in your environment that brings you joy, happy memories, or is in some way pleasant to look at. Stay for a moment with the objects that drew your attention. Then gently close your eyes if it feels right for you. If you decide to keep your eyes open, let the gaze be soft and relaxed, not focused on anything too intensely. Now, softly place a hand on your chest in the heart area and simply feel into the current state of your body, heart and mind. Maybe you were running from one task to another just a moment ago. Perhaps you have been dealing with some difficulties. Your mind may be super busy or quite calm. Your body may be somewhat restless. Whatever is happening inside of you as we begin, bring as much kindness and care to it as possible. Everything is fully welcome. It is all part of your life experience, and you are taking care of yourself in the best way you can, by stopping, by reflecting, by being present. Feel free to keep the hand on your chest or bring this gentle touch anytime you need it. It may be especially helpful in moments when unpleasant sensations, difficult emotions, or troubling thoughts appear during the meditation. If that happens, simply remind yourself of your inherent goodness, kindness, and care towards yourself. Or even imagine someone else comforting you. Once distractions pass, you can return to following the guidance wherever you left off. I invite you now to take 3 deep breaths. A deep inhale through the nose or mouth, letting the chest and the belly expand as much as possible, and then a long exhale through the nose or mouth, letting go of any initial tension you may have discovered in your body. Again, a deep inhale, letting the air calm your mind, and a long exhale, letting go of any worries. A deep inhale, feeling the warmth enter the heart area, and a long exhale to fully arrive in the present moment, feeling your body safely placed on the surface you are sitting or lying on. Letting yourself fully feel your body from the top of the head to the bottom of your feet, noticing sensations all around the head and face, releasing any tension you may be feeling in the areas around and behind the eyes, unclenching the jaw and softening all the muscles down the throat and neck, letting the shoulders drop and fully relax, noticing all the sensations in the arms and hands as they slowly become heavy and relaxed. With the next breath, shifting attention to the chest and belly and relaxing as much as possible, letting the belly soften, letting the back and hips sit comfortably on the surface you're on, relaxing leg muscles all the way from the hips down to the knees, lower legs, ankles, and finally feet. Noticing sensations in each part of the left foot and the right foot. For a brief moment, simply noticing sensations currently present in the entire body as it rests and relaxes. Before we let our imagination take us to experience cherry blossoms, let's locate an anchor, a specific sensation where we can focus our attention whenever we get distracted. You can pick any body sensation, breathing or sound, as long as it's pleasant or at least neutral. The easier it is for you to focus on your anchor, the easier it will be to return to it in case your mind wanders. It is also very likely that you will get distracted many times, as it is completely natural for our restless minds to get distracted. Experiment for a moment with focusing on the chosen anchor. If it is breathing, you can simply pay attention to each inhale and exhale, noticing where it is easiest for you to detect the breaths. If it is the sensations in the body, perhaps your hands or feet, simply notice what is happening there. Warmth, tingling, pulsating, whatever you feel is okay. Or perhaps you wish to just listen to the sounds in your environment or this recording. Try to focus the attention as much as possible without tensing and controlling, letting the body relax and the mind calm down naturally. Remembering to notice when you get distracted and to refocus on the anchor with patience and kindness. Hopefully, you are noticing that your thought process seems to be slower and your body is a bit more relaxed now. Even if the change is very small, just allow yourself to enjoy it for a moment. Imagining that you are sitting or lying down under a blooming cherry tree, perhaps even smelling the fragrance of cherry blossoms, breathing deeply the sweet scent of flowers and the fresh smell of grass in the spring. In your imagination, you open your eyes to see the delicate petals of cherry blossoms gently falling from the tree above you. Some petals softly fall on your face, and you are enjoying their gentle touch on your skin, relaxing your face, eyes, and cheeks, your mouth and jaw as they keep falling gently. Some petals fall on your arms and hands, and you notice these sensations with pleasure. Others fall on your chest and belly, and you relax all the muscles in these areas to inhale the smell of flowers even deeper. Slow and deep breath in and a long, relaxing breath out as the petals keep covering your body in a cozy, flowery blanket. After observing this gentle rain of petals, you notice the soft beams of sunlight shining through the branches. The sun is pleasantly warming your body and making your mind lazily wander. Each thought seems to be slow and calm, passing by as slowly as the few small white clouds moving across the otherwise blue sky above you. The smells of spring and cherry blossom trees surrounding you. The warmth of the sun and the gentle caress of the petals. the quiet sound of the wind breeze and birds singing. All these sensations bring you much joy and relaxation. There is nothing to do and nowhere to go. You can continue enjoying all the surrounding beauty in peace, observing the delicate cherry flowers, their pale pink color, the bees and bumblebees drinking the nectar. As the time passes, you are simply staying present to the wonder of life and the spring season in the orchard. Your body is slowly being covered in cherry blossoms. Each petal, gently falling on your skin, seems to bring you even more calm and relaxation. This blanket made of petals is not heavy, yet it wraps your body very comfortably. You can easily imagine closing your eyes now and falling deep into sleep. And you can do so now, letting your mind and body simply rest under the cherry tree, surrounded by the beauty of cherry blossoms, still noticing all the sounds, the smells, and sensations. If you wish to rest now, I invite you to stop the recording, close the eyes, and return to the imagined space under the cherry tree. If you are ready to return to your usual activities, let yourself return to the surroundings by slowly opening the eyes and perhaps stretching, taking a few deep breaths before getting up. Let me know if you enjoyed this visualization. I am always grateful for any suggestions and comments you wish to share. There are already many similar recordings on my channel, so you may also want to subscribe and check out the description for some suggested links. I wish you all a wonderful springtime.